So let me share my screen.
Okay.
So did you go through the presentation as we covered earlier? Did you get
Yeah.
chance?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we cover, let me start,
Okay.
Uh, so did you try SQL dump and, dump and import?
No, I did not. I did not do it on myself.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, I just overview before what we studied before. So there was two type of databases. One was on premises and one was on cloud, right?
Mhm.
So on premises, we work with with the local installation on Windows operating system,
Mhm.
and for on cloud we use the Cloud Atlas, right?
Mhm.
So Cloud Atlas is an embedded cloud. It is a database as a service providing by this company, MongoDB. So we went through both exercises, and also I just let me open this page. Yeah, this one. So we learn how to install MongoDB setup and how to connect MongoDB through Compass and through the the command line, and then
Mhm.
we learn how to download the MongoDB and installing Compass for MongoDB, accessing different databases through remote connection or local connection. So we also learn how to create document, what is a collection, what is a what is a database, and how many databases we can create, what is an instance. So these all topic we cover, right?
Mhm.
How to view the data, how to update the document, how to delete the document. Okay. And we also learn how to take backup, dumps backup. And
Mhm.
we discussed in last class this, the dump import and export. Import dump and export dump is not valuable because it required consistency. You lose data. For example, one database is running. You want to restore this database. Okay, so it will you will lose the data because there is no transaction backup. There is no point in time recovery. This is the pros and cons. For example, if we take logical backup or one object or one collection or one document, this is okay. But if we take entire database dump backup, it will not helpful because may we lose the data. Okay,
Mhm.
so these all things we cover. We also learn how to different method of backups, uh, how to use the compass, how to create the organization, under organization, how to create the project, right? So
Mhm.
these all things we run. So today, I have two things. One is, so the first backup method was we discussed, this was only for consistent backup, offline backup. So best
Mhm.
recommendation is on cloud or on premises database is to use op manager. Okay, so if you have on premises database, you can use op manager, or you if you have on cloud, even you can use the op manager. But in the before 4.4 release MongoDB, they were using separate software, one for cloud, one for on premises. So cloud administrator, they actually revoke this port. Now we have only app manager, ops manager. So ops manager, what is the ops manager actually? Ops manager is managing the backup and also, the monitoring the system activity. Okay. So
Mhm.
for example, if a system goes down, or for example, in one organization, they don't have one system, one database system. They have different replica for high availability, for DR, right?
Yeah.
So for example, we have three replica. So replica mean copy of each database instance. This replica can be read only, can be read write both. So it depends on the environment. So mostly company, they don't have only one single server, they have more than one server, right? So
Mm-hmm.
op manager, through op manager we can manage multi replica, many replica for disaster recovery or for a high availability. And it also give us point in time recovery backup. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so today we will install the op manager. Okay, if you are interested to learn how to install mongodb on linux, so I can do first this one, then we can work on ops manager. What do you think?
To install MongoDB on Linux.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Yeah. So because this will also helpful, because some customer, mostly open source software running on Linux, not on Windows,
Mm,
right?
yeah.
So I will give you a two demo today. One from AWS. I will create one physical Linux machine EC2,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can install the MongoDB, and then we can access through Compass this cloud
Okay.
database. So this will
Okay.
also valuable for you, in future, because as I mentioned, mostly company using Linux operating system,
Mm-hmm.
not Windows. Windows is the desktop user. So I don't think so anyone running production database on Windows.
Mm-hmm.
It's very less. They may be running, but it is very less. It is very small level organization. So
Yeah.
enterprise level organization, they always use Linux. So in the Linux, we have different flavor. Okay, in the Linux we have different flavor. Like we have CentOS, we have Red Hat, and we have Oracle Linux. So these three flavor is the same, is the replica each other, right? For
Mm-hmm.
example, I give you example just for your information. We have Red Hat 7. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
so Red Hat 7 is the paid operating system. You have to pay first, then you can use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Without paying, you cannot use Red Hat Linux. Okay, and you also need to maintain the annual support with Red Hat. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so the small company or medium level company, they use CentOS. CentOS is the open source. It is the free Linux distribution. It is same like Red Hat. For example, Red Hat 7 release, they release CentOS 7. Red Hat 8 release, they release CentOS 8. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
Oracle Linux, CentOS, Red Hat is the same thing. You got me? Oracle
Yeah.
Linux from Oracle company, Red Hat from Red Hat company, and CentOS is the open source distribution. Anyone can download from the internet, and they can install, they can use for medium level companies for any database. It is also very user friendly. You can, there is a many, built-in repository. You can use the repo and you can install any application. So I will give you just overview. I already downloaded CentOS on my laptop.
Okay.
So first, see how to install MongoDB on Linux. Okay,
Okay.
because see why I'm telling basic administration of MongoDB we already covered, right? So now you have to learn little more things which is valuable for you in, for the customer and other party, and your office work. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me start. So I just open the browser and I put download CentOS 7. Okay,
Okay.
so this CentOS 7 ISO image, I just wanted to show how to download. So you can see the here, this is the RPM packages. This is, CentOS 8. Now, Red Hat 8 is there, CentOS 8 is there, Oracle Linux 8 is there.
Mm-hmm.
So I downloaded this one, the CentOS 7,
Okay.
which is a good build and have lot of, stable features.
Okay.
So I just downloaded this one. These are mirror link. You can connect any mirror link and you can download. Okay. So I
Okay.
already downloaded, I will show you. Yeah, this one. It is
Mm-hmm.
almost 4.3 GB. This is a ISO
Mm-hmm.
image. This is a ISO image. So first I will install the Linux on my virtual box. This virtual box you should know maybe earlier, right? You know about virtual box?
Which one? VMware.
Yeah, like VMware, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because VMware is a paid. VMware have a different product like VMware Player, VMware Workstation. This is
Mm-hmm.
equivalent to VMware Workstation, but it is free.
Oh, what's the name of that one?
Yeah, it is. I will show you how to download as
Yeah,
well.
please.
VirtualBox.
Oh, VirtualBox. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So use 6.0 build. 6.0 build is very stable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can
Okay.
download from here. So it is
Okay.
all flavor for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, all flavors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I already downloaded and install. It is simple installation. Is the Windows MSC file. You can just download and install. Okay.
Okay.
So let me create one new server for this exercise. I will create MongoDB. Okay. On Linux, you can choose many operating system. You can install
Mm-hmm.
Linux, you can install Solaris for Intel, you can install Mac OS, you can install any operating system on VirtualBox. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this is the RAM because total RAM in my laptop is 16 GB. So I will take 1 GB. Okay, for this
Mm-hmm.
virtual machine. Okay.
Okay.
This is by default 12 GB disk requirement. So recommended 12 GB. You can put the size. So I make it 20 GB. Okay.
Okay.
So my VM is created. So this virtual machine is created. Okay. So
Okay.
now we need to right click, go to setting, mount our ISO image which we downloaded because we need to boot from CD, right? So I go here and go to MPT and I can go here to choose the ISO image. Okay. Choose
Okay.
the disk file. I choose, this is my, I downloaded CentOS. So I click this and it is selected and click OK. Okay.
Okay.
Then we need to start up the machine. So just click on start. So it's CentOS. We need to choose the ISO image. It is CentOS. Start. Now our installation is started. So first we need to install actually. So I know the media is correct. So I will go to install option. Okay. Enter.
Okay.
So in Windows, in Windows operating system, we have two file system. One is NTFS, one is a FAT 32. Okay. In Linux, we have ext3, ext4, different file system. Okay. So I just
Temporal file
giving,
system.
yeah, like in Windows, if I go to Window, disk management, I can see this is my disk 0, right? I have in my laptop, I have disk which capacity is 500 GB. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, you can see here NTFS.
Mm-hmm.
So this is for example, for example, you have one empty disk. Okay. So this empty disk called raw disk. It called raw disk. There is nothing on the disk. Even you cannot use this disk, but you
Mm-hmm.
need to assign to use this disk. You need to assign file system, right?
Yeah.
So this file system, when you assign to that disk this file system, you can use this file system after that. Before, in raw disk you cannot use. Okay.
Okay.
So like Windows we have NTFS, in Linux we have ext3, ext4, different file system. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just going to choose the language English. So here is, I choose the time zone. So date and time. So I will choose where I am. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm Dubai. Okay. So this is the time zone we set. Now this is the installation source. Installation source we already provided, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So no need, just done. So this is a software selection. So there is a different type of selection, minimal installation, compute node, different infrastructure server, basic web server, virtualization, so different. So always for database, we choose this option, server with GUI. Okay.
Okay.
Under server with GUI, we have different, the add-ons
Mm-hmm.
software. Like for example, if you want to set up DNS server, you can select DNS. If you want to install MariaDB, you can install from here. If you want to install MySQL, you can install from here. Okay, so different. So,
Mm-hmm.
so I will choose which is the pre-requirement for the, see, MariaDB server is here. If I select, it will install the MariaDB server.
How many
So
can you select? Just one?
how many?
Mm-hmm.
What you said? Say again.
I said from there, how many can you select? Can you select many or just one?
Yeah, you can choose many. One,
Okay.
this is the PostgreSQL Server database you can install here if you want.
Mm-hmm.
You got? So
Yeah.
by default in Linux, you will have Perl language, you have C++ compiler, you have MariaDB, you have MySQL DB. MySQL become MariaDB now. It is same almost.
Mm-hmm.
PostgreSQL, okay, and such databases you have. MongoDB is not there. You have to install.
Okay.
So the most important performance tool we need this one, and we can choose the compatibility libraries, you know, these things, development tool, what you need you can put. But these
Mm-hmm.
four is important: system tool, development tool, compatibility library, and performance tools.
Mm-hmm.
Any database installation like MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, MongoDB, you have to choose these four options. Okay,
Okay.
so done. So this is our installation destination directory. So by default, this, you remember, we give space 20 GB, right? When
Mm-hmm.
we create the VM virtual machine, we give 20 GB free space, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we choose this one, simple. And this is a network host, you can make host, I can make host name is MongoDB. Okay.
Okay.
So this is my IP. So we done all selection. Now we need to begin installation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It will take 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. I can put root password. It will take a little time. So while
Okay.
this installation is completing, we will see the slide. Okay.
Okay.
You have any question till now?
No,
Uh,
but
about
you are recording.
VirtualBox,
You are
about
recording.
yeah.
Yeah, I would like to do it on my own. It's good that you're recording.
Yeah, yeah, I'm recording.
Thank
So, as a DB role, or, I have more than one, two, three, four, five, six, seven VMs. Okay. So
you. Okay.
for yours, because my feeling was this was very important for you to build lab setup in your laptop and play around. Okay.
Mm. Yeah,
So
I mostly use the VMware, so
workstation.
I heard about the virtual box, but I never had the chance to,
Yeah.
install it and use it.
Yes. Okay. So we are downloaded the CentOS. Okay. This is the link I put here. Okay.
Okay, thank
You
you.
can directly download from there. Okay.
Okay.
So, if you, for example, in mostly company, they will not allow you to use directly root user, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they will give you pseudo privileges, right?
Yeah.
So for pseudo privileges, this is the prerequisite actually. You have to download Linux, then you have non-root user with pseudo privileges, or root user. Okay. But company, they will not give you a root user with system administrator, not DBA. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So they will create user for you with the pseudo privileges. Pseudo privileges mean, so it is auditable, it recordable. What you did, it is recordable on the system. So you
Okay.
can be tracked, what you did,
Mm-hmm.
what you are doing, so you can track. So for example, this for security purpose, we have pseudo privileges. Okay. If you don't
Yeah.
know how to enable, you can enable like this. I put the method, go to the server, then add user, password user. So this I put just method for you. But in your
Okay.
case, you are doing lab setup. It is not required. You can use root user. Okay.
Okay.
So next step, we will do this all step. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So today we have agenda, the install MongoDB on Linux, and second Ops Manager. Huh?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So Op Manager, you have experience before on Op Manager?
No.
No, okay. Actually, yesterday what happened? We have some database crash, 3, 4 databases.
Oh wow. What happened?
Oh, actually there was
What
outage.
happened?
There was
Oh.
outage. Yeah,
Hmm. You guys were able to recover?
yeah, yeah. I recovered.
Okay, that's good. Why you working the
See
sequence developer or
this
what
one,
happened?
this is the sequel. I will show you while downloading. We have almost 7 cluster databases, Microsoft cluster databases, SQL Server.
Mm-hmm.
See, it is a blackboard
Yeah.
application. Blackboard application.
Mm.
So let me see. It is downloading. Installation is completed. No, still running. So the PostgreSQL you are working, right? You work before PostgreSQL, right? No SQL.
Come again?
You work on PostgreSQL, right? Post
MongoDB.
MongoDB. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you use before Ops Manager?
No.
Okay.
Mm. Was you before I was just like Postgres.
Okay.
So MongoDB is kind of new, so that's why I want to grab more knowledge on it because
Okay.
they want me to learn it fast as I can, so that they want to give me a tax already. They giving me report to check and tell them what is happening now.
Okay.
They are upgrading the operating system from RHEL 6 to RHEL 7.
Which operating system it is?
Rel, REHL, Rel server, 6 to Rel server.
Ah, okay. Dell server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm. So how many databases they have in their report?
I don't really know.
Ah,
I
okay.
don't really know. I don't really know yet.
Mm. So this is actually a very good kickstart, because we cover a lot of things, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to go through the slides, all slides. If you face an issue, it's almost 60 slide now. Did you get chance to go through this, the, the creating collection and creating database
Mm-hmm.
instance and work with the data modeling, how to do that data modeling process?
Yeah, I went through that.
Mm. These we did in Atlas, right? All.
Mm-hmm.
You also go through these?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Today I'm too much tired actually because I did not sleep all the night.
Oh wow.
Mm.
You were troubleshooting to get the database back on.
Yeah, it was 15, maybe 15 databases. It went
Mm.
to recovery mode.
Mm-hmm. So on SQL Server, do you guys have replication?
Yeah, SQL Server, yes.
Oh, so when you have outage like that, you just have to fail over.
No, actually, in the SQL Server, we have two different type of environment. One is
Mm-hmm.
one we are using Microsoft native cluster,
Mm-hmm.
MSCS, and one we are
Mm-hmm.
using always on for DR.
Always on? What's that?
Always on, always on.
Mm,
This is the native feature for SQL Server to
okay.
make DR site.
Okay.
So we have all, I am managing also almost more than 500 databases under my administration.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is mix up MySQL, MariaDB, MongoDB, SQL Server, Oracle, so different.
Okay.
Mark is there today.
I don't know. I saw he say hello then.
Yeah, he's there. So after this, I think we have one class. We will round up all what we, go through the slide all, and we will round up, all topics, revise all topics one time. Okay. And
Okay.
I will show you, how to, in the last class, after this, I will show you how to make a different replica if you interested. So for
Okay.
example, we will have three replica and we can take the backup and we can make
Mm-hmm.
failover and do restore some demos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So I just wanted to before this completing Op Center have client server concept, client and server.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you have three replica, three MongoDB server. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is same like MongoDB Atlas. We have one organization. Under one organization, we have project, right?
Yeah.
The same concept in the Op Manager. We have one organization. Under one organization, we have different projects. Same concept. So, for example, one organization under one project, we can we can add, for example, project mean, one we have production environment, one we have test environment, one we have development environment, and one we have staging environment. So like that. Okay.
So,
So in the ops manager, you can
mm-hmm.
manage different environment in one op manager,
Okay.
for backup, for DR, for restore, you know, to monitor the activity on the database.
Mm-hmm.
Backup is monitoring. You have also snapshot. You can take snapshot of your database, and you can go any point in time recovery. So I will suggest focus on, the op manager. It is
So
huge.
up manager is more of a monitoring tool.
Yeah, it is. I will show you here. When you read more op manager, so
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you the architecture. See, this is a very good documentation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is the op manager architecture. I can make little zoom in. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so see, this is Mango DB1, Mango DB2, Mango DB3. You have
Mm-hmm.
n number of servers here.
Mm-hmm.
So each Mango DB have agent.
Mm-hmm.
So agent mean, agent, through agent it communicate to the op manager.
Mm-hmm.
You are sitting here, you are connecting to op manager. Under op manager, you have Mango DB deployment. Okay. For example, you have one application op manager. Under one application, you can have many deployment for MongoDB. Okay, you got.
Yeah.
So, for example, you have 10 MongoDB server. You can 10 MongoDB deployment under one op manager. Okay,
So us manager like monitor the replication.
that's right. If we see the overview, if you see, here, automation, monitoring, backup, server pooling. These four feature is very important.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this document is very. I just put the link there. Okay, you just
Mm-hmm.
go through this in the chat. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is very good document for beginner. How to install, we will do now, but when I do installation, you will see. Then I would recommend you do yourself on your laptop. Okay, to get
Yeah. Yeah.
more understanding.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can ask the any question. For example, monitoring backup. See how it will take backup. So what I mentioning here, so see here many hosts.
Mm-hmm.
The enterprise company, they are not using only one server for Hope Manager, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because they have many redundant server for Hope Manager. If one goes down, then other will entertain, right?
Mm-hmm.
So best practice is at least two Hope Managers should be in place. So if one goes down, so high availability should be there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is even also load balancer is there. I mean, for example, if you have four op manager, so you can use any network load balancer like F5, Cisco, or any type of load balancer which is share load between each other. Okay, so
Okay.
so the best recommendation is, or you can see in the enterprise company they have more than one op manager server. Okay,
Yeah.
So this is the basic architecture, What you can do, Org Manager can take backup DBs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Snapshot. This S3 is the AWS.
Yeah.
S3 AWS storage, bucket, block storage.
Yeah.
So you can take snapshot and keep in, for example, you took 2 TB storage from AWS for your backup. Okay. And you are
Mm-hmm.
all backup snapshots going on the AWS. So if there is something happen in your MongoDB, you can restore from this bucket to this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see. Yeah, it's done. Okay. So we reboot. This is you think this is a Red Hat 7, okay?
Yes.
Equivalent to Red Hat 7. Yeah. So here's the license agreement. We are using free. So this is open source. So okay. If you see here, I can make little setting. I can disable IPv6 because it is not. We are not using IPv6. We are using IPv4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the general. I will say connect automatically. It's okay. Default setting done. Finish. Just I skip. Okay. So we completed installation. We need to make little setting to access this server to from my laptop. This is a this is the you work before on Linux?
Yes.
Okay. So you know this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can see this is our IP 19. I will connect to
Mm-hmm.
Putty. So root password. because when you install, this is updating itself. Okay, so I
Mm-hmm.
just wanted to kill to save time. So now we have Linux installation is completed. So we'll follow the document, okay, and we install, okay.
Okay.
Because I just wanted to show you how to do step-by-step MongoDB installation on Linux. So this step we done, and second, this one we need to, in each Linux distribution, you have,
Mm-hmm.
some people add repository. So no need to, because when you install any application, you need to install some prerequisite applications for this
Mm-hmm.
application. For example, when we install Oracle database, there is the prerequisite applications we need to install. So
Yeah,
no
the Yahoo position.
no Oracle make one repo. You just install repo and it will automatically get all package installed on your laptop.
Okay.
It make it very easy, so
Okay.
I am just adding repo for this. So you will go step by step.
Mm-hmm.
Here I just copy this path. When we run yum, it will search mongodb from this file. So from this file, this is a hyperlink. It will go there and download.
Okay.
So just okay. So now we need to install.
Mm-hmm.
Yum install y mongodb.org. Okay. Uh, I think I did not put the mango. Maybe. First, I need to check internet is working or not. Okay. And let's look up. Yeah, my internet is working. Ping yahoo.com. My internet is working on this.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the difference between this? I added package, right?
Mm-hmm.
I did wrong. Okay. I put, see, via file. Okay. So
Okay.
I just copy from there and paste it here. So I just this one. Now I just put the yum install. Let me see. Hmm, TC yum repo. Okay. This is the file we created. Okay, yum install. MongoDB working. Maybe this file is wrong. Okay, I will remove. Maybe I did something wrong with this file.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yum install. Sorry, yum install. Okay, no, sorry,
Yeah.
spelling mistake. Okay, so it will install these these, the Mango shell, tools, server. You remember we did that database tool.
Yeah.
So all package it will install this one.
Very there.
Yeah. So it's done. Okay. So we just type Mango DB. Oh, sorry, Mango. Okay, because it's running on this one, so we need to see the service is running or not. Service. I will mention here the command. You can check the service. Okay, MongoDB
Mm-hmm.
status.
Oh, system city. It works
Uh,
like Postgres.
yeah, status MongoD. It is stop. So I will start. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it started. P grep mango D. It is running. Okay. Now we type mango. We are here. Okay. Show
Mm-hmm.
DBS. So we got. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the Mango installation on Linux. We install Linux CentOS and we install MongoDB on Linux. So this is all I put step. This slide you have to do yourself. You have to upload data. If you want to test some data,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you can import data. Using this
Yeah.
command. I can run this command for you. So I make a directory mkdir test Mango. Okay. So I make go to the test path and I can run the command. It will get or not. It will download from internet.
You there?
Yeah. Done. So we create one test database and we import this database there. Okay.
Okay.
Imported successfully. Failed. Ah, what is this? We created which user? Test Mango, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I can use this one here. Okay. Okay, it's imported, but this 225,300. This is just dummy data,
Mm-hmm.
just for testing. Test, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so this is the data. If we use the pretty function, yeah, it will show us in the JSON format. See, so this is will also helpful to play around the data, to access through campus, and you can make some queries.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all. Now we need to, any question till now?
No.
This is okay. I will share this one. You have to make some setup.
Yeah.
So at least you will learn, new things. Okay.
Mhm.
So this we did all.
So it means that okay, I would like that if you want to work, we'll work with this we'll work on Linux and we'll work on cloud when we practice.
Yeah. See, you have both option. For example, if someone have cloud issue, right?
Mm-hmm.
On the cloud, you don't have OS tier, right? Operating system you don't have, right? You have
Yes,
only
yes, yes.
database.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have on premises, okay, for example, some customer have on premises database, or you want to troubleshoot the issue. So this will give you good, idea how to do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So DBA should have a platform independent experience, right? They can work on Linux, they can work on Windows, you know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So now next is the op manager. It is very simple installation. Today we will go for 20 minute more, class. Today 1.5 hour we take class. Next class we will take 2.5 hour. Okay, because
Okay.
I'm tired today. I did not sleep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, I download the op manager. Op better to do yourself. Huh?
Yeah.
It will give you, just type op manager mango.
What
DB.
is up manager we use for?
Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is a performance monitoring tool. Just see the first link.
Mm-hmm.
Ops manager. This one. So we have cloud. We have on premises. I told you earlier in cloud manager they revoke. You cannot use no cloud manager. So you will have to use ops manager, okay, for cloud or for on premises databases. Okay.
Okay.
So this is enterprise edition, this is community, this is our op manager. You just go there and download. Okay. So I already downloaded on my PC. Okay.
Okay.
This one. So let me check. Maybe I installed earlier. So let me check. If you go to service MSC,
That to install it in your Windows, why don't we install it on the Linux?
yeah,
Because we'll
Linux.
be working more of the Linux. Yeah.
Yeah, we can install on Linux. It's okay. We can install on Linux, no problem. So this you can download, and also Op Manager have repo. Same like MongoDB repo.
Mhm.
So this MongoDB, yeah, this is Ops Manager installation. Okay, you can go
Okay.
here. This is you can install on Debian Ubuntu. Okay, you can install on Linux CentOS. You can install on Archive Linux. So different type of flavor. You can install on Windows. Okay, so this document I already shared. Okay,
Okay.
so go through this document. You know how to. It is very useful document. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we'll go to the RPM. This is simple installation. Go to this website. This is the RPM link. You can download from the website. Or we can try here. Yum install mongodb mms stereo. This package is not available. You have to download RPM, okay, for Linux. So I will go here. Okay, sorry, I got call.
It's okay. Yeah.
So Mango Ops Manager will go to installation. The Red Hat
Mm-hmm.
or CentOS all this release. Okay, RPM. So I will download the RPM, or you can copy link. Okay, and go to the
Mm-hmm.
MongoDB wget RPM. It will download for you. Okay,
Yeah.
its size is little bigger, almost 1 GB maybe.
So you copy the link and you type
wget.
w get, or it was on with the link.
I check from get link from here. Wget
Mm-hmm.
webget. Wget mean webget. You can download from internet. There is two way.
Okay.
Either I download on my
Okay.
laptop, then I copy from there to here. This is another way. It is time consuming, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Now when you copy, you can use WinSCP to copy.
Yeah, WinRCP to copy. It is it's okay, but it take little time. So this is good. Copy the link, wget, it will
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
download.
No, no, no. Actually, yeah, it takes time. Mhm.
So while this installing, downloading, I will install on Windows. Okay.
Okay.
Because see, its size is almost 1.2 GB. Sorry, no, sorry, this is agent. We need this one. This one size is 1.3 GB.
Mhm.
So I will install this. While it downloading on Linux, we install on Windows. Okay.
Mhm.
It is same configuration. So by default, it's going to this path. So it is 10% is completed.
Oh, that one is taking time.
Because it is almost 1.4 GB.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm installing here. So till we finish installation, we can install here as well. Okay.
The sun is shining bright today. After long many, we did have good suns last time.
Sorry.
I said the sun is kind of shining bright this morning here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it has been cold and cold and cold.
Ah.
So today might be a beautiful day.
So which state you people are? Virginia.
No, 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 but not far. We are in Maryland. You know, there are three states like grouping on in one spot. You have Maryland, you have DC, and you have Virginia. So it's like an interstate.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So from here where I am, I'm like 30 minutes away from Virginia.
Ah,
Uh, 25, 30 minutes away from DC. It depends where I'm going there.
okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So to go to Virginia, it depends on where in Virginia you're going. You can be at least like 30 minutes, 50, 1 hour. It depends,
Okay.
but it's not far. Yeah, it's just like around.
Okay. So it's done installation. I let me finish this one. I finish. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, I'm just is it downloading again RPM. I don't need it because we are downloading there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So RPM I cancel from here. So
Mm-hmm.
go to service. So after installation, we need to start the service, This is the service for Op Manager. You can see service name, MongoDB Ops Manager HTTP service. Okay, it by default port is 8080. Okay, so
8080.
yeah, so I will access now. You can see here HTTP 192. What is my IP? 43. Okay, it will come. Because I earlier installed. Where it went? Mail. Here. You need to start the backup daemon. Okay. So both services are running. One for backup, one for HTTP access. You can see here these two services for Ops Manager.
Okay. The window installer. Oh no, Mongo Ops and MongoDB.
Yeah, MongoDB I need to install because this is the Op Manager, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have MongoDB on my Windows machine, so we can install.
No, you don't have to do that now.
Yeah. My IP is correct, maybe. I'm using many VPN, so maybe this is the reason.
Okay.
HTTP. It take little time to start. It stopped. Okay. IP is 192.168.7043. Okay. Okay. MongoDB running. Okay. Hmm.
Since it's not working, you can leave it on Hyatt. So when we come next time, I think tomorrow when we come, we just gonna continue with the one on Linux and set it up and start it.
Yeah, because I have, WAMP. WAMP is running on different port. This is server.
Yeah, that's why I say yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
But this one is the one that is in your local machine. This is on Windows, right?
yeah.
Okay, just leave it. So we will make sure we start the one that is on Linux that you
Okay,
install your bodies and then we will work because I don't really want us to be too familiar with the Windows
okay,
because
sure,
yeah, I
sure.
want to make sure I know that the Linux and the clouds.
Okay, no problem. So
I
I
have
can,
to use the Linux on cloud.
no
So
problem.
maybe you will just have to delete this one and restart it because you will have so many things. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So it is
Mhm.
HTTP. I have many port open on this machine. So
Okay,
I'm
okay.
using VPN. Many VPNs.
Hmm. So it will be good if we can just proceed with the one on Linux and the cloud. So
Yeah. We can do that.
mhm. Since it will just finish download and then we'll continue tomorrow. We can continue tomorrow. You don't have any problem, right?
No problem there. No problem.
Okay.
So I can download tomorrow. We can start. Okay, it is
Okay.
downloaded already.
Yes.
So from
Yeah.
here we can start tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do tomorrow, our agenda is just 1 minute. So from here we start. So I will share with you these slides. Okay. So you can
Okay.
for installation. Okay.
Okay.
So we will have one MongoDB on the Linux. We will have one Op Manager on Linux, and we will create
Mhm.
two replica, and register with the Op Manager. Okay, and we can do demo
Okay.
for this. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, Frankly speaking, this is very important for you. Op Manager is a very important on Linux, not on Windows, right?
Hmm.
So I can take snapshot here. You can also, in the virtual box, good thing is you can take snapshot where you are. Okay, you can keep, and later if you want to restore, you can restore.
Okay.
For example, this VM is I can take snapshot. I can put here download ops manager. Okay,
Hmm.
that's it. So it will keep snapshot here. Then I will work. If I have problem, I can roll back.
Okay.
So this is the beauty of this. Okay, dear. Any question?
No.
So thank you so much. So I will close class today. Mark is there. He's there, but he's not.
Yeah,
No.
I'm there. But I'm a bit busy. Thanks a lot, Rayad.
Oh, Mark, how are
Yeah,
you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Hi,
Yeah.
Nelly.
How you doing, Mas?
I'm okay. Just so tied up with things.
Ah, that's okay. You okay
Yeah.
for money? Busy man.
Okay. I wish everything is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mark,
Okay.
today we, just installed Linux CentOS, and we installed the MongoDB. Okay, and then tomorrow, I mean, next class, we will install Op Manager, which is very important. So, Nele, if you have any question or any concern, let me know. Send me a
No,
message.
I will try to for the virtual box, I might not download it today, but I have a VMware, so I will try to see if I can install the way you did, install MongoDB and Host Manager on my VMware so that I
Right.
can use it to yeah. So that when we practice on Linux and we practice on cloud, so we practice on Compass and we monitor it on
That's
Poly
right.
too. So yeah,
Basic administration. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, Mark. Okay, Nelly. See you then. I will
See
close
you
class
tomorrow.
today. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Same
Mhm.
time, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you for your time. Not forget to send the video.
Yeah, yeah. I will send.
Okay, bye.
Thanks. Bye.